Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel.
Hi guys.
I've got a guest today,
Mm,
and if you know who it is, just make a comment and let me know who it is. I'll read
Long-
say,
long
say how
time.
Yeah,
long time in the camera.
yeah. Long time no see. I guess you begin to wonder if I'm still around.
Yeah, I'm still alive, guys.
Oh,
Oh,
well, what's going on?
well, what's going on?
Yeah.
What?
What? Oh, anything new? Anything exciting? Or
Yeah. What's on you?
what's new? What's new? What? I want to know. I want to ask a question, just for curiosity. What do you think about our new solar setup?
Yeah, it was fantastic.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've been using it since January 12. Is that 12?
Something like that. 12, something
Yeah.
like that.
Then we're having our electric bill last month, right?
Yeah.
It's very big, guys, because
Hmm.
that last time they checked the meter, it's around January 11.
Yeah.
Then we start have the solar
Yeah.
upgrade January 12. So since then,
We've not got a billing on this.
yeah, we don't have a bill yet this coming March. So we're curious.
Yeah, we're curious. Kind of
About-
excited.
Yeah,
I'm excited about the one afterwards
yeah.
because of the weather that we've been having.
Because we've been using like just ours, right? And also for the hot water, hot and cold shower.
Yeah.
And that's the one we.
I've not switched it over yet, but I'm thinking about just leaving it the way it is
Mm-hmm.
because we don't use it that much, to be honest with you.
Mm,
Just when we shower early in the morning. If it's,
Yeah,
if it's up in the
because-
day, if I wake up in the
because-
day, I don't use it.
you're not connected the hot and cold shower to the solar because it's not enough.
No, it's enough. That inverter will handle it.
Really.
Yeah.
Then, so we're excited about our upcoming bill. How much it is?
Yeah.
maybe
Maybe it went up.
I don't think so. I hope not.
But it should drop dramatically. I mean,
So maybe around 2,000
we had
or maybe under 2,000.
we had some time on there where we're solely on the grid during the changeover.
Yeah, because here is always like bad weather, guys. Even though it's almost summer, but the weather is not really nice.
I'm talking about when we done the solar panels. We had several days where we just nothing but on the grid. We didn't get to use no solar.
Yeah, because that time it's always like heavy rain, cloud, heavy dark clouds, right?
Yeah. And the batteries were already dead.
Yeah, totally dead.
Yeah.
So hopefully our next bill will be.
Hopefully it won't be big like the last one.
Yeah.
Good God Almighty.
was-
Another thing too, it probably be up a little bit because this is the month they got the increase.
Really? That's not good.
Yeah. So we got a drop in our billing, but the cost per kilowatt costs more.
Yeah. But at least, because if we not do the upgrade,
Oh, gosh. We didn't do the upgrade. We'd be in panic mode because, I'll just be honest with you, our budget just wouldn't handle that. We're just fortunate that we've been so conservative throughout this past year that we're able to do this upgrade.
yeah, it costs us a big money for the upgrade, but I know it's worth it.
Yeah, well, actually, I've done the math. At the current rate of what the upgrade we did, we get our money back within this year.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
so that you can buy a new battery again.
Yeah, buy one more battery.
One more battery we need
And
to have.
then it'd be complete.
Yeah. So we need to have one more battery, then we're all okay.
Yeah. That will cover us, during 2 or 3 days of bad weather.
Mm-hmm.
Or if we have guests, they use the air conditioner
Yeah.
in the guest room. That will make a difference.
It would be nice because free aircon to the other room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the whole purpose of the battery. We have guests.
Mhm.
Also extend for days that's bad.
Yes.
Because, with these batteries, they're doing good. But I could use another battery to help carry me through. Because usually within 2 or 3 days, the weather will break and we can be back to normal.
Mhm. So we will see.
We will see. We will see. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me about the chickens.
Oh, our chickens.
Yeah. Are they alive?
Mm-hmm. We're still not incubating more eggs right now because of the weather here is always changing, and it affects some of our chicks.
Yeah.
So we're still not been incubating some eggs right now, and we have that shamu.
Yeah.
The shamu hen still lay her eggs, and she still have a baby there in the chicken coop.
We got one group from, I think it was 3 left.
Yeah.
We had 3 from the first time.
And they're very big now. I think it's already there inside the coop.
Oh, really?
Transfer, yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
very good.
Because Bastion transfer it already in the coop.
No good.
But some of
Any females?
I don't know, we can tell yet. Maybe we have a luck. Then we have some females, right?
Yeah. Well, I've done Google. If we have any females, the male that we're using presently
Yeah.
can be bred with the females that they hatch.
Really?
Yeah. But the problem is, if we have a male rooster,
Mm-hmm.
if we're siblings, brother and sister, no.
Oh,
But daddy, daughter, they can.
really?
Yeah.
Mm.
I researched it on Google.
Yeah.
And
So hopefully we can have some. What's that?
Yeah.
Good luck on the shamu
see,
chickens.
if we get 2 hens laying, we make a big difference in how many chicks we'll have.
Yeah, and maybe that way they're not so sick quickly.
Right.
Not get so sick ba quickly. And we also have a problems about the eggs every day, right? We only get small eggs per day now. We really don't know what happened because we've been feeding them some vegetables, some spinach, and their eggs is just like 6 pieces for
Yeah.
a day, sometimes 1 only.
Yeah. Anywhere from 1 to 6.
Yeah.
It'll vary.
That's the one for the Rhode Island Red and the Black Astrolorp.
Yeah.
Because the shamu, we don't use the eggs. We let them. We gonna raise more chicks on that.
Yeah.
We're not collecting the shamu eggs.
Well, this is my plan. Next month, I like to start back incubating the eggs again.
Mm-hmm.
I like to do like a dozen in the incubator or something like that.
Yeah. We not do a lot.
Then do another dozen in the other incubator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because we are losing lots of eggs if we put a lot of eggs in the incubator.
Yeah. So I figure a dozen on each one, or 15, something like that,
Yeah.
and see how that works out.
Mm-hmm. We will see.
I've been thinking about all this, trying to figure out a way to where we can increase our production.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to explain it, how everything going on with them. I've never run across this growing up. We had chickens, and we had a hard time keeping having too many.
That's the way it is. Maybe we figure out something.
Yeah. What puzzles me, the ones that we sold, they're having good luck with them. They're laying good. Or
Maybe we just don't have a good luck on ours.
I mean, I'm
Yeah,
all
right?
Yeah.
Like we still,
I don't understand it. They got
Yeah,
a
me
nice
too.
place for them. It's
Yeah.
clean, and you know,
maintain,
it's
yeah.
maintained. They get good food. We buy good food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because we're not even, I think only last December we've been selling some chicks, right?
Yeah.
So since then, we're not have income on our chickens.
None at all.
Yeah. So we're
start-
losing some money on our chickens right now, every month.
Yeah, I want to have to start incubating again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So maybe maybe things will get better.
Huh?
Maybe things will get better. I still not lost hope.
Hopefully things get better. I'm not going to give up, guys.
So but we're enjoying our chickens and we also have free eggs every day. But it's enough for us, right?
Yeah.
At least we have eggs free. So we're just it's really hard to us to give up because the chickens that we have right now, they are very attached to us. That's why it's really
Yeah.
hard to give up.
They follow you around like puppy dogs.
Yeah,
They get attitudes, Yeah.
like they are the part of our family too.
Yeah. Makes it difficult.
Mm. So you want me to go to the chicken coop?
That'd be
Let's
nice.
see.
What do you think, guys? Think you ought to go to the coop and see what's going on out there? It's too muddy for me. I'm afraid I'll fall
Yeah,
down.
it's always muddy here because lately it's been always raining here
Oh,
in the jungle.
yeah. This is supposed to be the dry season, but it's not.
So my husband can't able to walk there because he needs to be
Careful.
careful, especially on his back. It's always been
I can't
pain
afford to
lately.
fall
Yeah,
and cause a problem.
yeah,
So I try to stay where it's safe.
yeah.
But anyway, guys, we're ready to take you on a tour. And,
So let's go, guys. So I'm gonna.
all right. We'll catch you on the flip first.
So let's go to the chicken coop, guys. So it's cloudy this afternoon, as you can see. Maybe it will be rain again tonight. It's already 4 in the afternoon here. So let's see inside the coop. And here's our chickens in the entrance. My grandma's mango is been blooming some flowers, so it will have some mango soon, some mango fruit. So look at our chickens, they are here near in the gate. Oh, they're getting so big, guys, as you can see. That's the Rhode Island Red and the Black Astrolorp. Looks, it's Selkie here. That's Selkie. Oh, look at this one. Wow, so pretty. The color. Look at that roaster there. And the hen, the white hen. It's not Selkie. I don't know what kind of chicken is this. Looks like it's not Selkie. They're enjoying eating that spinach. As you can see, there's a lot in the ground. So as you notice, guys, that we've been losing some of our hens and roasters because last December we've been selling some roasters and chickens. One of our neighbor here been buying, and that's why we're only have small hens and roasters right now. But still have more coming because we still have almost ready to lay now. and we're excited for that because it's a new batch. And let's see if there's an eggs in the nest. There's no eggs there. I don't know where Bashan put the eggs. So there's one egg here. This is where we put the chicken foods, in this container there. So far it's only one egg. So let's check here. So we have some roaster and hens that we separate in this pen here, as you can see. And we're gonna incubate maybe by next month. So the shamu, we put it in this pen here. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. It's getting bigger. That's our shamu roaster and the shamu hen together. So there's an eggs here with the shamu hen, and she's not setting the eggs yet because it's not enough still. She still have more eggs before she set the eggs. So 3 eggs now, because we've been, I think last month we have some 6 chicks from the shamu. So over here we don't have anything here right now. There's 1 egg here and 1 egg on that side in the nest. So a total of 3. And we're gonna check here also. There's some more eggs inside. So we have some hens here, 2 hens, and I don't know what my husband called this roaster here. I forgot really. He's getting bigger. And look at the 2 hens are getting bigger also. Looks very pretty, guys. So no eggs in this nest here. Hi there. Hi. Hi there. Did you miss your daddy? Mom is here. Mama is here. So let's check to the other pen. Need to lock it down so they can't go out. So let's check to the other pen here. Oh, you're alone in, oh, there's 2 there. So there's 1 roaster here and also 2 hens that we separate. No eggs. No eggs in the nest. What's wrong, guys? So it's only 3 eggs today. So yesterday we got 6 eggs. And the other day we got like 5. It's really hard to lock this thing here because it's broke. Hmm. That guys. This one is new. Oh, this is where we put the some of our chicks. I think some of them are the shamu. This is where we put in the chick pollet pen the chicks. As you can see, look at that, guys. They look so healthy. Some of them are shamu and some of them are Rhode Island Red and Black Astrolorp. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Look, they are so pretty. They're very pretty. They are so silent because looks like they are like scared or because it's been a while that I'm not been here in the coop. So maybe they not recognize my voice. Hi there. Mama is here. So it's full 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 here in the pollet pen right now. So we're not turning them loose here outside because they're not ready yet to go here outside because they're still not big enough. So maybe about 2 months they can go here outside together with the other chickens here. This is I like this one because it's very pretty, the color. I think that's a hen there. And the other one is the roaster. Wow. Hopefully we can have more on this breed here because it's really pretty, guys. As you can see, that's the roaster there. And that's the hen, the other side. They're very silent. So that's the update here in our chicken coop because it's been a while since we do some video here inside in the coop. So everything is okay and chickens are very healthy. Oh, there's some banana tree at the back of our coop. As you can see, guys, the banana leaf is been touching now in the roof in the coop. So hopefully it won't we not get a lot of rats here because we have a problems of rats lately. So one of our neighbors has been planting some bananas. They're at the back side and the problem is it's very close to our property. So they not even get like have some respect ba to the other property in the other side. So you know we cannot say anything because some of the Filipinos they have some bad attitudes and they may even though you say you tell them in a good way but for them it's bad for them. So we just wait because I'm afraid if that lots of banana leaf now it's been touching in the roof in our coop. So hopefully the rats won't be climb. I know that the rats will be climb. So hopefully the rats won't be bothering our chickens because we have some small chickens there in the pollet pen right now. So this is the papaya tree here. That one is good for the chicken soup. You can put it in the chicken soup and it's really good. When it's ripe, it's very sweet also. And we have some.
What's happening?
You're there.
I thought I'd come back there and check on you. Make sure.
Oh, we have a
everything
baby.
turned off.
We have some pretty roaster and a pretty hen. It's
Yeah?
color white. It's not like silky.
Oh,
Yeah.
might be a random.
Huh?
Might be a random from the white.
What's that? Braham? Braham?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really pretty, but it's roaster and hen.
Well,
Looks like they already lay eggs, the hen.
Yeah.
Because it's just big now.
well, she probably needs to be put in there with the big rooster, big white rooster.
Yeah. Bastion separate some of the Rhode Island Red already in that tray pen.
Okay.
So they be fertile. I think she transferred it like long time ago now. It's been a long time.
Okay.
Then supposedly they be fertile, right?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah. So hopefully we can have some more hatch this time.
Yeah.
This is cute, baby. This plants here. Look at guys. I like it. This one. Look.
What is that?
I don't know what kind of plant is this. It's nice. Look. The leaf by is
There's another one right there.
yeah, nice. It's in the look at that guys. Nice, pretty plants. Nice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It'd be nice to put it inside, indoor plants. I want to know what kind of plants is this.
Mm-hmm.
So my father has been trimming some of the plant here on the side.
I could get one of the white roosters escaped.
I think that's our chickens, right? From the shamu. Yeah, cause look at the legs. Look at the legs, be long legs. Look. So we all also have some chickens here outside that we turn them loose. They're getting bigger too.
Have you seen the big baby shamus yet?
Yeah, inside in the coop.
Okay. How big are they?
Bigger than you.
Yeah.
Joke.
Can you tell for a hen or rooster?
Maybe there's hen.
If they're hens, they need to won't be long. They'll be ready to lay eggs.
So that's our Rhode Island Red hen there. So I'll be back there in the house.
Okay.
I'm gonna go back inside, guys. I'm gonna show them. We plant some vegetables at the back side.
Oh,
Okay. So we plant also some vegetables here at the back of our house. So this is our property also. So we own this one here. So we're not building here yet, but we're planning to build a store for our motor parts. Maybe next year, hopefully, but we will see what's happening this year. So we have a lot of vegetables here, as you can see. We have this malunggay tree. Look at the leaf of the malunggay. So very healthy. And my mama also planted some eggplant. It's not been growing yet. On this side here, we have some eggplants, but it's not. Oh, look at that, guys. That's the eggplant. It's more there. We have a lot of malunggay here. So we try to clean this area here, and we're gonna plant more vegetables. So right now, so we have a banana here. two banana tree, but the other one we already harvested the other banana tree. So this one, that's the second one. Then it's not been having some fruit yet. So have another one here. So the last time that we harvest, it's really sweet, guys. Kind of banana. You're not supposed to cook. You need to eat that when it's ripe. So let's check here the other side. We also planted some pepper here. This is beside our house. This is beside in our house. So look at that, guys. This is the pepper. More pepper there. So my father has been planting this one here. I think this one is the tomato. Tomato. So let's check here in the at the bottom. We have that lemon grass. And look at this, guys, the tomato. Oh, butterfly. There's a butterfly there. So cute. So look at this one. We have some tomato here. Oh, it's already ripe. Look. Tomato. Wow, this is good. I love tomato. And also my husband loves tomato. Look at that one, guys. Nice. Wow, very nice. And we have more pepper there that my mama is planted some pepper on that side. And look at our creek, guys. We live beside the creek. And look at this soil here. So we've been planning to put some cement on the side here. We're still saving some money for that. And hopefully we can do this year, because especially that it's always been raining here lately and there's floods. And the creek here in this side is more wider now. They damaged that sugarcane field on that side there, as you can see. That side there is the soil is very soft, so the floods been damaging that area there. And there's a piggery on that side there. The floods almost wash out their septic tank. So we have more spinach here. And banana. Look at the banana, guys. We have a lot of banana here. Banana tree. And some coconut, lots of buko. Lots of coconut tree.
What is that?
So that's,
I'm confident that they will find our work, and if they don't,
I'm gonna tell to my husband that the tomato is,
they won't.
we have some tomato that's already ripe. And I'm gonna get it. Bebe. We have some tomato there. It's been ripe now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. So,
Okay, I'm live again. I sit here enjoying Prime and watching the car.
car. So, it's good that I showed them inside the coop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great.
The chickens ba, especially the chickens in the pullet pen,
Yeah.
they're so like silent because they not recognize my voice.
Oh, you stranger.
they're listening ba, they're listening to me and they're so cute.
Well, we're both strangers. It's been a long time.
Yeah, lately I'm not able to visit there because of being busy here in the house. Only my friend Bashan is the one who take care of the chickens.
Yeah. And I've not been able to go out there because of the weather.
Yeah,
Is it still muddy out there?
not really. It's been dry because because this morning is some sunshine, so the soil is not really as wet.
I would have liked to win. I'll try.
But inside the coop, there's spots there. It's been muddy.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, is the Shamu sitting on her eggs?
No, not yet because it's not. The eggs still have 3 in the nest.
Oh, she just started.
So she just started. So maybe around 12 eggs.
Yeah,
she would
been
say.
about another week at least. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe 10 days. And she had 8 the last time to hatch.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they're out
I
back.
think we not lose anything.
No, batch, not yet.
Yeah. So guys,
Well, I guess Grace wanted to cut it short because it's getting long.
yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Don't forget to smile when you're out and about, and live long and prosper.
Thank you guys for watching.